Hey everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the making of these cute little birds. These are really fun to make, and if you like this video, please do give it a try. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. And all the material required are mentioned in the description box as well. Please do check over there. So let's get started. So first I have taken this aluminium foil. Just crush it and start forming the shape. So first I started forming the belly, or what we call it as breast of a bird or belly of a bird. Now we need to form tail and the head part. Use more foil and press it in the shape to form a tail. Once you are done with the shape, just attach them using glue. So now our tail is ready. Now let's make the head. Now slightly press at the neck portion to form the shape. You can see here our basic structure is ready. Now let's attach more foil to give it a proper shape. So you can see here now our structure is ready. Let's cover it with POP paste. Here I am taking POP and adding little bit of glue and some water and mix it well to get a fine paste like this. So now to apply the paste easily without causing any messy, I am inserting this bamboo square into the bird and then start applying the POP paste. You need to apply 3 coats of POP paste. After applying 1 coat, let it dry and then go for the second coat and then followed by the third coat. So our first coat is done and this is how it looks. It will be definitely rough in structure. Once it gets dried completely, now start applying the second coat. And then let it dry and apply the third coat. And one more thing guys, while applying second coat and third coat, you can always soften the surface with your wet fingers. Just dip your fingers in water and soften the surface. And let it dry. And this is how it looks after the third coat. Now you can remove the bamboo skewer. And now I am using sandpaper to make the surface soft. After applying the sandpaper, clean it with a cloth. And see how soft it looks. Now I am using this strong wire to make a loop. Always make sure that you are using a strong wire. This helps the bird to stand straight without falling down. Instead of putting it straight, slightly bend it such that the bird doesn't fall down. Let me show you. Now draw wings on one paper and then cut it out. And now take some clay and roll it. And then place this wing on it. And then cut the clay according to the shape. And now carefully remove the wing and remove the excess clay. Soften the rough edges. And start giving the details to the wing. Here I am using bamboo square to give detailings. And this is the cap to give a feather structure. Now apply some glue in the hole and cover it with clay. Merge both the surfaces. Now carefully insert the wire and make sure that the ring is facing towards the tail part. Before sticking the wire, do check with the position whether the bird is properly balancing or not. Now stick the wings. And now for the beak, make a hole like this and cut the tip of the toothpick and insert it into the hole and then cover it with clay. Now stick the eyes and let it dry completely. This is how it looks once it gets dried. Now start coloring it. As a base coat, I am applying white acrylic paint. And now I am applying bright red. Cover it completely. And now for the shading part, I am applying orange with the help of sponge. Now on the wings I am applying this black. Just dab it. Don't cover it completely. So finally I am using this white 3D outliner to form some designs on wings, tail and near eyes. our bird is ready. Just seal your artwork with good varnish. I had made 3 birds like this and I painted them with different colors. These 3 are really looking cute, right? That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video and do give it a try if you like it. And please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and do consider subscribing and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.